Andito si Manang Sinaita. Natakaot. Andito si Nelly. Si Oscar Martinez. Nena. Manang Helen. Nagkanta. May boses na. Nandito kami sa Baguio Country Club Corporation, a homecoming reunion employees. Fans na dijay.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, how about a big hand for the employees of the Baguio Country Club under the Grooms Division. Grooms Division. Galing. And that, of course, was part of our third performance last year during the Christmas party, if we're not mistaken. And another wonderful performance. And the ladies on stage earlier with all those colorful wings, as you call it. That's Karen Navarrete Anton inspired dance, di ba? Anyway, good evening. My name is Andrew Pigao, and this, of course, is the Baguio Country Club homecoming employees of the club then and now. We see familiar faces. We see beautiful faces. We'd like to invite everybody who is here with us tonight. Palakpakan naman po natin. Now, before we start, may we ask everybody to please rise as we recite the honor creed of the Baguio Country Club. And may we request Ms. Shauna to please lead us with the honor creed.
We serve with honor. I am privileged to be a part of the Baguio Country Club family, the first and only five-star honor resort in the Philippines. I represent this organization with pride and integrity by conducting myself professionally at all times. I shall be guided by the set of principles of the Vision Code. I am accountable of my own actions and responsible for the success and failure of this organization. I shall exert all effort to achieve excellence and meet the basic expectations of my superiors. It is my pledge that we're going to uphold God's commitment to serve with honor.
Thank you very much, Ms. Shauna. Ladies and gentlemen, you may now be seated. And again, we'd like to welcome you to the William Cameron Forbes Ballroom for the Baguio Country Club homecoming. Yung po mga employees then, is the same, they did not age, parang hindi po sila tumanda. At parang, kung ano po yung itsura nila noon, yung parang itsura nila ngayon. Diba? Parang si Manang Esper. Diba? Walang sinabi si Catherine Bernardo sa iyo, Mami Esper. Diba? How about a big hand for Mami Esper? We still remember her, diba? Kasama natin. Now anyway, there's a special person tasked to formally welcome us all tonight. So please put your hands together and welcome with the warm round of applause the General Manager of Baguio Country Club, Mr. Anthony Villarreal.
Thank you, Andrew. Good evening, everyone. Well, before I go through with my message, this is something spontaneous. I'd like to, of course, just express how glad I am and thankful, first and foremost, to the organizing committee of this reunion headed by Ms. Malugaliste. Thank you very much. Well done. Of course, there are a lot of people working behind the scenes as far as getting this event together. It took us a year of planning. But I have to hand it to my good friend Bernie. She will always be the one who will say, kailan ulit yung reunion? So you can see how active she was in Facebook, in following up with everyone, and including but not limited to the updating of the page of what's happening with today's event. Finally, it has arrived. We're all here. And I'm very pleased to see a lot of old faces, familiar faces,
Yes,
and
sir.
even as far as the US.
Scar Martinez.
Former Captain Waiter, the Governor of our base, Oscar Martinez.
Tumakdar ka, sir. Tumakdar ka.
And of course, my good friend, I was surprised to see him earlier, Mr. Sam Torres. Coming. As I didn't bring Sam Maboy, our former purchasing manager, materials manager, and finally, the academy manager of Baguio Country Club. There are a lot of people here that I wish to acknowledge, of course. There's a long list, but I'd like to give special mention because right now our registration and secretariat is trying to determine who is the oldest. Ang nakikita ko kung maglalaban dito si Ate Yoli at si Esther. May the best woman. Now, a lot of people have been asking me, why are we doing this? The last time we did this, if I recall, was 2016. And finally, we were able to do it again very timely because not only are we celebrating Baguio Country Club 120 years, so isn't that logical for us not to have just the members and guests celebrate the 120 years of Baguio Country Club, but also the former and incumbent employees of Baguio Country Club, correct?
Yes, sir.
I acknowledge also the mother of everyone who's here, Ana Tess. May duty na po kayo next week. Sa executive office, executive purchaser. Meron may executive accountant, executive purchaser na. Well, I'd like to acknowledge my project management team who had a long day today because we had more than 3 hours of presentation with the agency of the DNR, and everybody's commenting about the new projects or completed projects of the club. And this is what we presented earlier to the officials of the DNR and PAMI, or Protective Area Management Bureau. We have 21 projects in line. Some are completed, some are ongoing, and some are future projects. We have 21, so we have to present all of that. So, may mga kupan pa rin na nagtanong. Anyway, so I'm very pleased to see everyone here. And if you're here, you deserve to be here. And those that were denied, well, they deserve to be denied. You know, masasabi ko, alam natin ni Bernie, because we were straining. Pagka-dismiss ka, upupan ka, hindi ka makaka-attend dito. Of course, the date we chose was July 16. And if you're familiar with it, it's the day of the earthquake. In 1990.
Ako sa
Why did I
spirit
choose
noon.
this
Ay,
date?
so?
Not only is it significant in the city of Baguio, as far as my opinion is concerned, it is also a crossroads of Baguio Country Club. it was a time of the year where we had to decide when that calamity happened, and we suffered that. Everyone suffered that. But especially a crossroads for Baguio Country Club. It's a question of when we build the new club, which suffered after 5 months of the earthquake, a complete fire that devastated the remaining structure of the club. Do we stay and maintain the old traditions and practices and old culture of the club, or do we embrace the new Baguio Country Club? It's a crossroads. And I'm very happy that we made the right choice. It was a struggle, but nevertheless, I think it's safe to say, especially for those who made the tour earlier at 10 o'clock, you have seen the facilities of the club. And we have grown, we have expanded, and we're continuing to develop and build more what we can, not just for the enjoyment of members and guests, but to continue to generate employment, which to my mind is quite important. We contribute in the tourism industry of the city of Baguio and in the national sector. We're considered as intrinsic to the national interest of tourism of the country. I'm quoting the Department of Labor. So this, I have to congratulate the organization, because this is never a one-man show. Somebody has to lead, of course, somebody has to have the vision, but definitely it's the people who are behind the scenes that can make it happen. And I'm very thankful that we are what we are right now because of what you have accomplished. So I'd like to give everybody a big round of applause. And of course, pasensya rin, mas matatanda yung alam nyo, makwento ko lang, no? These are the people who adopted me when I was small. Kasi, siyempre, I'm from Manila. I was 24 years old. Virgin.
Sumat ni Jay.
And you know, would you imagine, I don't know if I've told you this story before. On my third day here in the club, in July of 1989, I'm just observing, wala pa akong policy, wala pa akong procedure, wala pang pinalalabas o pinaka-implement na bagong tradition or patakaran. But when I went to Mrs. Merrill's cafeteria, she was the one running the cafeteria. On my third day, na-threaten na kagad ako. Sabi ng isang kusinero, tignan natin kung tumagal ka dito. Ikatlong araw ko lang yun, wala pa akong ginagawa, nag-o-observe pa lang ako, kine-threaten na ako. Hindi sana kung may minimohan na ako, o may napagalitan na ako. I'm just observing operations. Kine-threaten na nila ako. Sabi nila, tignan natin kung tumagal ka. Awa ng Diyos, of the 36 years na ako dito. So, so what we were, probably these are the things that will never be understood by those people who were against change. Because when I became RM, the very first thing I did was to streamline the organization. And the organization of the club was a bit middle-heavy. We had management, supervisory, rank and file. And I said, I need to streamline. Rank and file reports directly to management, which is what we did. But those who are affected, instead of trying to understand the point of change, they find the case. And these are the things that they will never understand, because we are where we are right now because of the changes that we have made in the organizational culture. Imagine, it's like 65% of the employees at the time when I came here, they were either drunk or have a hangover. So 65% of the time, hindi mo makausap ng matino. But I'm proud to say na at least we have reduced that number to basically zero. We tried to get rid of alcoholism. Second na problema dito. Pilferage. Sinasabi ng karamihan, lalo na yung mga datihan dito. Mahigpit si Mr. Nine. Ako sinasabi ko palagi, with respect to our former GM, hindi siya mahigpit, masungit. Iba yung masungit sa mahigpit. Because kung mahigpit siya, he would know the controls. Ang masungit, palagi ng galit. Kung mahigpit siya, hindi maglalakad ng gold course yung juice dispenser. Tama ba? Wala yung juice dispenser sa veranda, di ba?
Yes.
Nung nasunod na, papasalamat ako sa COMEL. Kasi may naligtas sila mga equipment. Speakers, amplifiers, all of that. Na-picturean pa yun, nasa golf course. Naligtas yung mga gamit na yun. In the fairway of 1 and 10, ang background pa, yung Baguio Country Club, habang nasusunod, naligtas siya. After a couple of months, nung nag-inventory na, at may function, may first function sa skating ring, nag-aanapan, nawala yung speaker, nawala yung amplifier. So, naligtas sa sunog, pero hindi naligtas sa empleyado. We had a problem. Ano pa yung common problem?
May paa.
Bullying, fraternization with OJTs. Alam niyo yun, ano? Oh. Kasi hindi pa ako RM nung nagkakabuntisan yung mga OJT. Tama ba, Edwin? So, so we have a policy on that. Anyway, these are just some problems that were affecting and disruptive to the organization. We cannot move forward without imposing strict policies and measures so that we can do what we're doing right now. Is it for me? Of course not. Is it for any specific employee? Of course not. Is it for the organization and the betterment of the institution that we represent? Of course. So, what you're witnessing right now, one would describe as probably a golden era of Baguio Country Club because of the team that we have right now. And I'd like to thank everyone for being a part of this massive development that we're doing right now, particularly Ben Toledo. Kasi maski anong plano namin ng project management team, ng Special Projects Department, headed by the SPD Director, si Dory, kung wala tayong pagbubugutan ng pera na pinaplano ni Ben, walang mangyayari. So we have to give that acknowledgement to Ben. Thank you very much for being a part of that. So I'm not gonna stay any longer here. I'm very happy to see a lot of people of the longest time I haven't seen, and of course, Barangay Captain, Iling, Sir,
Ay, dagayin.
salamat sa pagsusunod
Isidro.
sa DNR. Kasama siya dun sa presentation natin. Pero hindi nagsalita.
Thank you.
Salamat. Anyway, so we have a lot of surprises, fun. This is your night. This is for everyone. We'll have raffle prizes for the former and registered existing employees right now. Right there? Tama? Okay, so we have raffle prizes. But our major or grand prize right now is TV. Ilang inches yung sa'yo? Wow, about 43 inches. Anyway, so our grand prize is 43 inches. The TV. Flat. Smart. Okay. Pwede sa laundry. Pero tatagtagan ko. Check to Japan. Two. Check to Japan. Thank you everyone and have a nice evening.
For two. Mag-asawa.
A promise of heartfelt hospitality and continual excellence. Here, every moment tells a story,
Ito yun.
and every member and sponsored guest becomes part with
Si
ours.
Bernadette.
Every meal is an experience. Every plate a masterpiece. From impeccable service to exquisite banquet and perfectly crafted beverages, our passion for excellence is served fresh. Creating memories that linger long after the last night and set.
Parang Lena. Yung ano. Ang atong kanoy. Marlene. Nung ang ato kanuman ng tikod.
Our rooms are more than just space. They are sanctuaries. Thoughtfully designed with care and attention, they offer the grace of home, elevated to perfection. From the warm welcome to the front desk, to the seamless assistance of our government and guest services. Every detail is crafted to make your stay truly exceptional. We don't just create experiences, we bring the vision to life. The vision of a place where hospitality, innovation, and excellence converge. From unforgettable events and seamless conventions to cutting-edge digital advertising, we craft a world that members, sponsor guests, and partners are inspired to return to the twilight zone again. From laughter on the knees to joy every day, we create moments that strengthen bonds and inspire smiles. Here, every moment pulses with energy and life. Every member and guest's voice matter. Every story is worth telling. We listen with our hearts and respond with sincerity, making every interaction meaningful. Our members are our family. We nurture relationships, celebrate milestones, and grow together, building a community that feels like home. Hospitality begins with care. From health to safety, we work tirelessly to ensure that every member is protected and free to enjoy every meal. Trust is built through action. Our security team ensures your safety, allowing you to fully immerse in the experiences we prepare with care. At the heart of excellence lies careful stewardship. Our finance team ensures every resource is managed wisely, so our legacy of hospitality thrives. Every bloom, every detail reflects our commitment to excellence. Our care for the many abundance miracles with care we extend to you. Behind every unforgettable stay lies a team of unsung heroes, the general maintenance division. From seamless repairs to innovative energy solutions, this team guarantees that your experience is as smooth as it is exceptional. Technology enhances the experience, but it's our people who give it heart. With every innovation, we ensure your journey is seamless and memorable. Integrity is the foundation of our success. Our internal audit team ensures every decision reflects our commitment to transparency. Tomorrow is built today. Our special projects team transforms the needs into realities, ensuring the club grows with purpose. Our people are our strength. HR nurtures talent, builds leaders, and empowers every individual to make a difference. Leadership is a blind cat. With vision and heart, we guide Baguio Country Club into a future defined by excellence. Baguio Country Club is more than a place. It's a legacy. A home built with hospitality, strength and love excellence, and united by the passion of its people. Together, we create moments that last forever.
Yan nga, nag-deciding na. Dami kulot na naging under kasi. Nag-deciding na nga. Lagi kong bibigay ang bayad ng tubig. Ayun ang nga ni Sene, kadwa yun ni Sene, guys. When? Kadwa. Ano yung andalidad duma? Wala masyado. Ang mga nakontak ko, si Ate Cosmin, sinabi ko, next time na lang. Sana nga, magkaroon pa ka next time. Buti na lang. Abutan natin, oh. Yung maabutan natin, bagay, malakas naman tayo. Ganda, oh. Pastekan, naman. Ang ganda na kami dyan kanina. Ang ganda na. Pero mga ito, wala pa yan. Wala pa yan. Nung umalit ako, wala pa yan. Hindi na meron na. Oh, yung convention center. Nakapunta na kami sa convention. Yung parade ng Panagbenang. Parang mulan pa nga yan. Second time ko ito. Ano ito? Yung dati na ano? Ito yung ball. Oh, yung ball noon. Noon? Oh. Kasi tinitignan ko, ganyan eh. Ballroom ito, no? Ito sa likod ng swimming pool. Oo. Tawag yun lang chalet. Yung bulingan ngayon. Maganda na ngayon. Yung bulingan, yung swimming pool, doon pa rin. Pinagandaran. Yung swimming pool na bago kasi yung swimming pool na nakikita. Kinuhan ko dyan sa mga picture ko noon. Nagputin kanina na, 24 lang. Red. Paiso ko na na. Agad hindi. Kinuha kami kami ng guide. Ang isuswela kami di kinikwa Mr. Alcamerano. In my kusina. Aday kusina isuna hindi. Edit 1985, nagsardong ako nga nagkasol dito. In ko akong yung major subject ko. Hanggang natapos ko, 1986. Tapos siya, palit yan sa 86. Oo. May animal sanctuary pa, oh. Pero, tapos meron lang take para sa mga pinakita na ito sa amin noon sa may picturein na ka ay videoin na kami ha. Tapos puro mo sa amin. Dito? Oh, mamaya. Oh, matatawa kayo, comedy. Sabi ko tayo. Ano pagkatapos nito? Pagkatapos? Baka. Oh, sige. Ikot lang ako sandali. Kakwa.
May ni Marlene.
May? Pa yan na ni Bioli ko na.
Ano ka?
May ligak kami na sa May ligak.
Kaya sa papay mo, di ka inumay. Nagagat yun.
Country club.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. How about a big hand? Yan po yung mga konting projects po na plano po at ginagawa na natin at yung mga gagawin pa. So, konti lang po yan. Medyo binawasan niya po ni Sir. So sensyahan na lang. Palampakan naman natin. Come on, how about a big hand? You know, earlier, si Ma'am Ayi of Manila office told me, sabi na, ano ang galing yung sabi ko hindi, ang galing natin. Sabi ko because, you know, yun po mga nauna po sa akin na nag-work dito sa club.
Hello.
You laid the foundation.
Dito naman ang upuan ninyo, dito naman.
Tinuloy lang po namin yung inumpisahan nila.
Hi, Kap!
And we're really proud to be part of the club.
Kasi seminar namin.
So, we hope that you're happy to be back home. Sabi nga nila. And mamaya po meron po tayong surprise. But before that, an announcement. Yung pong mga gustong manalo sa raffle. Sino po gustong manalo sa raffle? In-announce na ni Sir. Ang grand prize natin is a trip for two to Japan. Nueva Ecija. Japan.
Kasama
Okay.
nga yasok, tugot ko
Pero
amin.
yung visa, kayo naman bahala doon, di ba? So hindi na sagot ni Sir yun, yung airfare. Round trip ticket for two to Japan. So kung gusto nyo talagang manalo and be part of the raffle, you have to register. Sino po hindi pa nag-register? Taas ang kamay? Okay, so I'm assuming na lahat nag-submit na, nag-register, okay? But in case hindi pa, punta po kayo doon sa may ballroom lobby. Please do not forget to register. We have wonderful prizes right here, okay? And now, time for us to move on with a very special song number. Ladies and gentlemen, they call themselves the Baguio Country Club Sessionistas. Please welcome Erica, Kim, Nicole, and CJ.
CJ. kami dito. Nakakunikan. Okay, cellphone. Ang Painyalis Yuja Restaurant yun. Hanga de Gente Barangayan.
Barangay pa lang.
Ay, at Dadyay. May kaminto man mga nang malupon. Imas, makan.
I'm going crazy, I'm losing sleep. I'm reaching for a desperate to be over you. I can't let you go. You are the first and be the last. Wherever you go, I'll be with you. Whatever you want, I'll give it to you. Whatever you need, someone, lay your heart and head upon. Remember after the fight, after all the rain, I'll be there. I will be Every
ladies and gentlemen, how about a big hand for the Baguio Country Club Sessionistas? Thank you very much to Kim, together with Erica, Nicole, and CJ. All right. At this point, if we could have your attention once again to our LED screen right here at center stage for an audiovisual presentation. Let us all watch this.
Present, ka na damdaman.
Nagtagay ka. Nagtagay na.
Mahilig ka ng picture ini. Picture may manungkunin, pantakan mo dyan US. Jadi man ang asling ni. Jadi man ang asling. Di na, di ba? Datay dito. Datay unay ng picture. Dalang may isa naka-item ko yung picture ni camera ito. Well, senior. Nangkungan eh. Sa dito eh. After ganyan. Kanyang ano ngayon?
Ang ngayon para sa mga regular. Ang kasuhan ka.
Nasa kanya.
No, ayapan na ka.
Tingnan na 85. Ani ba? Isami. Awan, awang picture tayo dito, tantay mahilig din. Awang picture tayo dito. Yerulyo nga kamera, yerulyo nga film. Nangakawit ni diso na ngay, di kamera awan. Ah, may stress, right? Ayan, malito rin na. Lahat.
Ni Terry Tibos na.
Ayan. Universe, Miss Philippines.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. This movie yan na tinap na namuhuli. But anyway, there's a revelation in that movie na pagka si Miss Lucina Concepto ay hindi isa po siyang dancing instructor. But kidding aside, time for us to move on, and we'd like to call in a very special person. She used to be the member relation